We're in Rajasthan, on the edge of the Thar Desert.
As we cycle along, we can see the ground is becoming sandier, much drier, but there's still a lot of cultivation going on.
So since Pakistan, and that sort of really busy section from Islamabad to Lahore, we crossed the border into India, and we spent some time at Amritsar, amazing place in the Punjab, where the Golden Temple is, centre of Sikh religion.
Sikhism. Lots of beautiful Sikh elderly gents around, long grey beards and big brightly coloured turbans, very noble looking.
And actually every village we went through, there was always a shady area, often under a tree that looked like a real sacred tree. And there'd be a group of old Sikh, well, they look like retirees, didn't they?
Yeah, always the men.
Yeah, always the men, yeah, that's true.
I don't know where the women are, because apparently the Sikh religion emphasises equality of the sexes. So I thought I'd see more women around, but I don't know where the women are.
But then equality of the sexes is quite a lot of talk, isn't it?
It's all a bit relative.
Yeah. Namaste.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum salam. So we've been really lucky through the Punjab and now in Rajasthan that we've kind of found these small roads, and they're nearly all tarmac or concrete, and they just take you through all these little villages, and it's just been a really good way to cover like huge distances, like without the traffic.
Yeah, it's very nice. There's just a very nice level of people around. Hello, hello.
Hello, how are you?
How are you? Fine, thank you. How are you?
Some of the villages we're getting to now have these old crumbling havelis, old merchants' houses.
In fact, we stayed in one yesterday that's a hotel, and it was utterly beautiful. About 150 years old, built round courtyards, cloistered, very beautiful. Lots of murals, lots of decorative artwork over every colonnade. Beautiful.
Yeah, they go back to the merchants that worked on the Silk Road.
Oh, good morning.
Across the Thar Desert to Iran.
How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is the best way to go if we can go this way. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we knew we were getting near Rajasthan yesterday because we started to see like these lovely camel carts with very traditional looking Rajasthani folk on them.
All pulled by a single camel.